career. We have heard of stars adopting a hardcore fitness routine for a role, but for many it extends to the real life as well. So much so that exercise is not just a way of life but a lucrative business enterprise as well. And hand in hand with fitness comes fashion, another profitable zone. So here's a look at our fit and fashionable entrepreneurs.
Good looks, fit bodies, and a wardrobe to die for. These have always been prerequisites for stardom, but over time, these have also developed into major business attractions for the stars who endorse them. India's fitness industry is still at a nascent stage. Nonetheless, it remains an extremely attractive investment option for beta owners. India's fitness and slimming industry constitutes 8% of the total wellness market in the country. Currently, the industry is valued at $1 billion or 52.9 crore rupees and is slated to grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 25% to reach $2.4 billion or 127 crore rupees by 2015. And tinsel townies seem to be making the most of it. Bollywood actress and former beauty queen Lara Dutta started her fitness venture with the launch of a yoga DVD series called Heal in 2010. Parting tips on dealing with a stressful lifestyle, Lara entered the fitness home video market in collaboration with Reliance Big Home Video and Big Daddy Productions owned by Mahesh Bhupati. Her own production house Bhigi Basanti Entertainment jointly produced the DVD.
I think as it is, the home fitness, home video arena in India is still rather relatively new. It's just developing. And like I said when I was speaking, that to get a good quality product, everybody today, fitness is one of the main things on everybody's mind.
It was basically an equity partnership with Global Sport and with Reliance Media. So in that case, about 33% of the entire production. With Lara, what we managed to do with brands, in fact, we recommend to brands that they move into the licensing model with celebrities because for celebrities, of course, it's a different business avenue. But for brands, we find that this is a way to get 120% or 150% of the attention of the celebrity because they're completely invested. They become equity partners in the success of the brand that they create.
Owing to the success of these DVDs, Lara launched another set of DVDs on prenatal yoga earlier this year. This time round, the DVDs were launched in partnership with Saregama's wellness division, Temple Wellness, which distributes fitness content through DVD retail, television and internet. And Lara is not the only glam diva posing for fitness. In fact, Shilpa Shetty became the first Bollywood celebrity to enter the business of fitness, yoga in this case. The actress, after her stint in the house of Big Brother, came out with home video DVDs and VCDs in collaboration with Shimaru Entertainment. The DVDs were initially produced in Hindi and English, but after their success, they were released in Tamil too. The actress has also tied up with various mobile service providers like Airtel, Tata, Reliance and BPL to offer Shilpa's yoga on mobile phones. One of the fittest heroines in the business, actress Bipasha Basu has become a spokesperson of sorts when it comes to doling out fitness and nutrition tips. And the actress practices what she preaches. She released her fitness home video venture called BB Love Yourself, her 60-day weight loss routine priced at 200 rupees per DVD, which was produced and marketed in collaboration with Shimaru Entertainment. The actress, who is the face of a leading sportswear company as well, is now in the market for her second DVD titled Break Free, which will be released soon. Model turned actors Milind Soman and Rahul Dev have also ventured into the business of fitness. The duo first started their fitness center called Breathe in the national capital in 2009. With the success of the boutique center, they opened 2 new branches subsequently. The largest center stretches over a massive 16,000 square feet and the membership for this luxury gym costs from 40,000 onwards per annum. All this exercise can certainly tire one out, and who'd know this better than actress Shilpa Shetty, who started it all. When it comes to wellness, Shilpa has proved herself to be quite an entrepreneur. Amongst her various business interests, Shilpa is also the proud owner of a spa and slimming center Iosis. Based on a franchising business model, the spa has 3 outlets across Mumbai, Guwahati and Goa. It is jointly owned by Kiran Bawa from Bawa Hospitality. The franchise is sold for 60 to 70 lakh rupees depending on the size or location, which can be anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 square feet. The company expects to generate 30% of business through the franchise model by the end of the year.
Very happy that we're opening Iosis, which is my spa venture. In a couple of days, we're opening our new outlet in Lucknow. Someone who's belonged to the beauty business especially for someone like me who's, got into the spa business. There's an extra onus because they feel that, everybody who comes there says, we want to look like Shilpa Shetty.
Now, of course, with fit bodies and relaxed minds, the next stop shop is wardrobe. Known to flaunt their brand and notching up the glam quotient, but when it comes to dressing others, retail is not a trait many celebs have acquired. If there is one actor who has designs on his fans, it's Bollywood's muscle man Salman. Being Human, the actor's clothing and accessories line, is owned by Salman's charitable trust Being Human. The line has expanded from India to the UAE and the fashion capital Paris. Being Human, one of the most popular clothing brands owned by a celebrity, has also been extensively subject to copy. Even though Being Human is a successful venture, it seems to owe its popularity solely to Salman Khan's star power.
I highly recommend that while they're running one track, which is being the actor or the celebrity or the athlete that they are, they should parallelly run these business opportunities. And trust me, even a Chunky Pandey has a power to open doors.